Hello, this is Jan with Bluesbird Toys, and for this video I am showing you a new toy I've created based on a spiral base. It is called Curlicue. It measures 16 inches from the top of the O-ring to the bottom of the bell, last bell. The spiral section is 5/8 inch wide this way, and it is larger than the Belafonte toy spiral, but then smaller than the Harmony toy spiral piece. The toy would be good for any small, mid-size, small parrot to a medium parrot like Amazon's grays and such. Probably not worthy to the large macaws so much due to the O-ring size and the spiral they might bend. Let's see, welded O-rings. So yeah, you can get this toy at Bluesbird Toys. And in any case, has a shiny mirrored tag, a diamond tag, a hexagon shaped tag. Up here is a tube in it, washer and little rings. So you can find this toy at Bluesbird Toys. Give it a quick look and see if you might be interested in it or any of our other toys. So thank you. Bye-bye.